It's Queen Helen, the Down Payment Diva. Welcome back to the Future Home Guide. Today we're stepping inside the McCrory by David Weekley Homes, part of the Excursion Collection here in the River District in Charlotte. This home offers between 3,166 and 3,192 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. You have options when building your home. You can have 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, an optional hall bath, as well as a 3-car garage. This model balances elegance and everyday comfort. On the main level, you'll first notice the flex space right off the entry that's ideal as a home office, guest suite, or playroom. From there, the home opens up into a bright open concept design where the dining, family, and kitchen areas all come together. Oversized windows flood the space with natural light, while the chef's kitchen, complete with an oversized island and a walk-in pantry, is just what you need for everyday living and effortless entertaining. Here's something exciting about 2026 in Westboro Village. They will introduce a 2-acre sustainable working farm and orchard. It will be to supply the restaurants, residents, and the farmers market with fresh food while creating gorgeous seasonal views right in the heart of the community. Make sure you scan the QR codes for rebates, builder incentives, and builder plans. Let's head upstairs. The secondary bedrooms each have their own private full baths. That's an option, of course, but it gives everyone the comfort and privacy. The loft at the center of the upstairs is a true bonus retreat, so whether you see it as a media lounge, homework hub, or a game zone, its flexible space will definitely fit your lifestyle. From the bedrooms, you'll also notice the beautiful views that overlook the River District, a reminder that this community is designed to connect you with home and nature. And finally, as we step into the owner's space, it is definitely a retreat and a sanctuary designed for rest and renewal. The spa-inspired bathroom is perfect for unwinding after a long day, and the walk-in closet gives you all of the space that you need to keep your life beautifully organized. Don't go into new construction alone. The builder's agent represents the builder, but I represent you. I'll help you find the right model, the right builder, and the best incentives. Scan my QR code for rebates, grant programs, as well as builder specials that help you skip the chase and close strong. You can also join our Facebook group, the River District CLT. Links in the bio.